Gratitude Quote Challenge. Gratitude, a profound and transformative feeling, is a cornerstone of emotional resilience and well-being. It's the art of recognizing and appreciating the good in our lives, which can significantly enrich our emotional landscape. Cultivating gratitude fosters joy, diminishes negative emotions, and strengthens our connection with ourselves and others. The value of gratitude. Gratitude isn't just a passive acknowledgement of life's blessings. It's an active engagement with the world in a positive way. It enhances mental health, boosts happiness, strengthens relationships, and can even have positive effects on physical health. By focusing on what we're thankful for, we shift our perspective from scarcity to abundance, from dissatisfaction to contentment. We invite you to join us in a journey of discovery and transformation through the Gratitude Quote Challenge. Choose one of the 5 selected quotes on gratitude and make it a cornerstone of your daily life. This journey is about embedding gratitude deeply into your consciousness and daily routine. Step 1. Reflection. Here are the 5 selected gratitude quotes. 1. Gratitude turns what we have into enough and more. It turns denial into acceptance, chaos into order, confusion into clarity. It makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. Melody Beattie. 2. Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all others. Cicero. 3. The more grateful I am, the more beauty I see. Mary Davis. 4. Gratitude opens the door to the power, the wisdom, the creativity of the universe. You open the door through gratitude. Deepak Chopra. 5. Appreciation can make a day, even change a life. Your willingness to put it into words is all that is necessary. Margaret Cousins. Reflect deeply on each quote. Consider how the quote relates to your life experiences and how its wisdom can provide guidance and inspiration in your current circumstances. Ponder the deeper meaning of the words and how they resonate with your personal values and beliefs. Step 2. Create a visual reminder. Design a visually appealing and meaningful representation of your chosen quote. This could be a poster, digital artwork, or a handcrafted piece. Place it somewhere you'll see it daily to serve as a constant reminder of the gratitude principle you're focusing on. The visual should be a source of inspiration and a tool to help internalize the message of the quote. Step 3. Brainstorm actions. Identify specific, practical actions that align with the essence of your chosen quote. These actions should be realistic and measurable. For example, if the quote emphasizes recognizing the beauty in everyday moments, an action could be to write down 3 beautiful things you notice each day. Step 4. Create a commitment statement. Draft a commitment statement. Expressing your dedication to integrating the wisdom of the chosen quote into your daily life. This written declaration should be specific, outlining how you plan to embody the principles of gratitude expressed in the quote. Place this statement with your visual reminder. Step 5. Morning meditation. Dedicate a portion of your morning routine to meditate upon your chosen quote. Use this time to focus on the day ahead and contemplate how you can apply the quote's wisdom in various aspects of your life. This practice sets a positive tone for the day, aligning your actions with the principles of gratitude. Step 6. Daily journaling. Maintain a gratitude journal, documenting not just your actions, but also your thoughts, feelings, and observations related to the challenge. Note moments when the quote's wisdom was particularly relevant or helpful, challenges you encountered in applying it, and how these experiences are shaping your perspective. Step 7. Accountability partner. Engage with someone who is also taking part in the challenge or is willing to support you in your journey. Share your experiences, challenges, and successes regularly. This partnership can provide valuable perspectives, encouragement, and a sense of shared purpose. Step 8. Creative expression. Channel your insights and feelings about the quote into a creative outlet. Whether it's writing a poem, composing a song, painting, or crafting, use this as an opportunity to express what the quote and the concept of gratitude mean to you. This creative process can be deeply therapeutic and revealing. Step 9. Implementation and prevision. After a set period, such as a week, review your actions and their outcomes. Reflect on what's working and what could be improved. Adjust your actions and strategies as needed to ensure that the wisdom of the quote is being effectively and meaningfully integrated into your life. Step 10. Share and inspire on social media. Share your journey, insights, and creations related to the challenge on social media platforms. This can inspire others and create a community of like-minded individuals who value and practice gratitude. Your experiences could be a source of encouragement and inspiration for others. Step 11. Reflection and feedback. At the end of the challenge, take time to reflect on the overall experience. Consider what you've learned, how you've grown, and how the practice of gratitude has impacted your life. Use this reflection to decide whether to continue with the same quote or explore a new one in a subsequent challenge. Conclusion. This gratitude quote challenge is an invitation to deeply engage with the transformative power of gratitude. By integrating these practices into your life, you're likely to witness a significant positive shift in your mindset, relationships, and overall outlook on life. Embrace this journey wholeheartedly and let the power of gratitude transform you. Look for the other gratitude videos on this channel.